Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best house building toy kit on the market, the ROHSCE Brick and Mortar Construction Set. If you have kids aged 6 and up who love to build, create, and explore, this might be the perfect gift for them. This versatile and fun STEM construction kit offers endless possibilities for imaginative play and development. Whether you're looking for a birthday gift or a toy that sparks creativity, the ROHSCE construction set is a fantastic choice. Let's start by looking at what makes this kit stand out. The first thing you'll notice is the quality of the pieces. The set is designed with attention to detail, and the mini bricks are just the right size for small hands. They're easy to handle, sturdy, and snap together without a hassle, which is perfect for young builders who are just starting to master their construction skills. What sets this toy apart from other building sets is its versatility. The set includes various types of bricks that allow kids to create everything from houses to cars, castles, and even custom designs of their own. This is not just a simple construction toy, it's a full creative experience. Your child can experiment with different designs, learning spatial awareness, problem solving, and fine motor skills along the way. These are the kinds of building toys that really engage kids and help them develop important skills while having a blast. The ROHSCE Brick and Mortar Construction Set isn't just about fun, it's also an educational tool. The STEM principles woven into the play make it a great tool for learning about engineering, design, and construction. It encourages kids to think critically and work through challenges as they design and build. These activities help build the foundation for skills they'll use throughout their life, from science to art. Another great thing about this kit is its durability. The blocks are made from high-quality materials that ensure they will last through years of play. Whether your child is constructing a detailed model or just having fun stacking bricks, you'll find that the set can handle it all. The pieces are designed to be easy to clean, too, so even if a few bricks get lost under the couch, you won't have to worry about them getting ruined. The beauty of this set is in the details. Each brick fits together precisely, making it incredibly satisfying to build with. It's the kind of toy that encourages focus, patience, and a sense of accomplishment as your child watches their creations come to life piece by piece. It's perfect for solo play or for friends and family to get involved. Imagine the fun of seeing what your child can create while working together to build something from scratch. This set is perfect for children who have a knack for creating, whether they're building something from their imagination or following the instructions to replicate a specific design. And if you're a parent or guardian looking to encourage creative thinking, problem solving, and hands-on learning, this construction set ticks all the boxes. It's a gift that will keep on giving, providing your child with hours of constructive fun. To sum it all up, the ROHSCE Brick and Mortar Construction Set is the ideal combination of fun and education. Its versatility, high-quality design, and ability to foster creativity make it one of the best toys for children looking to expand their minds while having a good time. If you're looking for a gift that will inspire your child to build, learn, and grow, this is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, in-depth product reviews. See you next time.